the goddess Nike. All right, so today we are headed to Gettysburg, PA. Taking a tour of the Gettysburg National Military Park. So that's near the, what is that, the Gettysburg National Battlefield. So this place has over 1,000 monuments. There's like 40 miles of road. Check out Pickett's Charge. General Lee's headquarters, I think. We can check that out. So we're not gonna, there's like 25 different museums. We're not gonna get to see any of those this trip because we have the dog with us. It's just a road trip mostly, and we're gonna kind of do it as economically as we can. We're going to cheap out everywhere we possibly can. Go upstairs, Millsy Dilsy, come on. Let's see if I can get her to go upstairs. Let's see if she'll take the long walk upstairs here.
Say that right. That was weird. Okay. We just came from up there. Liberty and unity. Yes. Really? Rain starting.
All right, we're gonna look at the map here. Check out this building here.
Confederate scouts tell Longstreet it should be easy. Most of the hill is unmanned, and Confederate numbers dwarf those of the Union. As Longstreet considers the battlefield, he knows that success here will immortalize him. If he takes
Wow, such detail. It's amazing. Let's get.
All right, we're gonna take a trip to the top. To the top of the, what is this? The President Eisenhower's Gettysburg Farm. Oh, it's a view here. Stairs up. Let's check it out. we're over the trees anyway. Pretty tired, not gonna lie. I'm gonna film this thing in cinematic and then compare the two for my own sake. I'm trying to keep the roof out of the view as I walk around. Of course, this side with the sun. Oh shit, I almost fell down the stairs. Yep, that would have sucked. Alright, then back on the standard 4K now. Some cars coming down the road there. Alright, well I'm gonna head down. I'm sure that's a lot easier. I'll put it in this way so you can kind of see the trail behind us. Is that better? Kind of take it out of view like this. Although, it's kind of a nice view too as the trees come up. Yeah, you definitely want to stop here. This is a cool tower. It's really well built. Good construction and all that. Although it's creaking a little bit as I'm running down the stairs here.
The trees are too dense. Men struggle to march, caught among thick branches and shrubs. It might be comical if it weren't for the
Big Round Top
heat.
on the right there and Little Round Top.
Longstreet had hoped to attack in the morning, but only now at 4 p.m. are his men finally ready and his reinforcements in place. The afternoon sun beats down. The air is humid and stagnant. Most soldiers, having expected to attack much earlier, have run out of water. The answer is just practice and natural talent.
Yeah, there's a plaque here. It says William Wells, Brevet Major General, First Lieutenant Commander, 1st Vermont Cavalry, October 14th, 1861. Read it. That's pretty cool. It's kind of out in the middle of nowhere though.
Yep.
But these were the guys here that were dealing with running through these woods that way. Coming from up that hill there. Which, you know, you can see it's pretty, I'm sure it wasn't any thinner back in the day there. Oh, this is perfect to watch the storm. It's raining right there.
Wow. Yeah, look at it raining in the distance there.
All right, let's check this one out. This is the Pennsylvania State. Millsy Dillsy. This is the Pennsylvania State Memorial. Check it out. The goddess Nike. Here you can see those statues aren't on there. See the statues? All those statues were added later. Like in 1913, I think the statues were added later. So that's pretty cool. And then there's a spiral staircase inside. Come on, let's go inside. We're gonna take a walk inside and check it out. You can walk all through the monument here. Check it out. There's all names here up and down the side here. All the various folks who fought. Let's see close up there. All the names. It's quite extensive. There's a spiral staircase here that you can take all the way up top. Which I don't know. I guess we'll take a cinematic shot. What it looks like here inside the monument. All right, we're gonna head up the stairs, check it out. Windows are a little dirty. Alright, that's it. It brings you into a little room up here. So they have a little map, a little legend up here that shows the different views. Well, that sun's really coming out now, isn't it? So, and this here is the goddess Nike, the goddess of victory and peace. And that sword is supposedly made out of the cannons melted down that were used to fight in this battle. You don't really get a very good view. Yeah, all these. There's another one, another legend.
Here on the ground, Michael.
Where?
Corners. They show you where true north.
Goddess Nike. All right, let me change the view here. No. Look, firewood.
Oh. How fast can you run out there and back to the car?
All right, that's a pretty nice view. We're gonna bullet it back down now. Let's head in.
We could do a little better with the lighting in here.
Yeah, stairs could be a little better lit.
Just up top.
Yeah, it's good down here where the window is.
Top of Lincoln's head.
Oh yeah, there's the top of Lincoln's head right there. Little bird poopy on there, no big deal.
Bird doopy doo.
So I guess the monuments that were added later is one of Lincoln, one of at the time the Pennsylvania governor, whom I'm not sure who it was, and then also various generals. Various generals that served in the war. You know, like this guy here, Reynolds. You know, I should probably know who that is, but I don't. Pleasanton. We'll get them all. Greg, 2 G's. You got Bernie up there, looking tall. Way to go, Bernie. You got Hancock. You know. It's curtains. I guess he was the governor. He looks pretty distinguished there. And then, of course, you got my man, Lincoln. What's up, man? So, pretty cool. You're missing out if you don't come check this place out. Give it a tour for sure. Alright, so this is what they call the high water mark. Millsy Dillsies. This is supposedly the farthest north the Confederate Army made it, as I understand it. Let's take a look. There's this monument here, 2nd Division. And this is the spot right here. High water mark. That's as far north. Oh, these are the cannonballs too. I was trying to find some. The 3-inch cannonballs. I think these are the Navy Parrott guns. Actually, I don't know if this is a Parrott gun. It may be. Those are Parrott guns over there. This one looks a little bit bigger. Yeah, this one's a little bigger. I don't know. I don't know much about the artillery. Big, and it must really suck getting hit with it. I guarantee that. A lot of people died here. A lot of people. Well, that was the cemetery, but I couldn't bring Millie in there. It's like Snoopy, no dogs allowed. So it's just me and the Millsy Dillsy walk around out here. She went in to go check it out, so that's cool. Yeah, nice field there. Get some B-roll footage. Smelly things.